Hi, it's Eliz. So today we're gonna heat up your lower back and work through some belly down back bends. So a lot of times we have chronic lower back pain and that translates into the hips. And a lot of times it's just we need to strengthen those muscles. So today we're gonna work through Cobra and upward facing dog with a little cat, cow, and child's pose in there to heat up your lower back and then get it nice and strong. So coming onto your hands and knees, and then with your knees and feet together, send your hips back to child's pose. Let your forehead rest on the mat, and then notice your shoulders and possibly walk your elbows back a little bit so that you're disengaging your shoulders. Move your hips a little bit from side to side, rock your forehead, and just notice sensation in your hips and your spine. And take about 3 deep breaths. And then on your next inhale, reach your fingertips forward and come on to hands and knees for tabletop. So knees under the hips, hands under the shoulders, soft elbows, and we'll move through some cat-cows. So as you inhale, drop your belly and lift your chest. As you exhale, round your upper back, tuck your chin and pull your hands away from each other. So inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, exhale, round. So close your eyes and notice that jump roping of the spine. And notice if your body wants to move a little bit more personally. So then you can add movement to the hips. You can add movement to the shoulders, the head, whatever feels good. Think about how many different ways you can move through the spine. You can even walk your hands off the mat to one side, getting a little side body stretch, and then the other. And then slowly coming back to center. So as you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. We're gonna hold strong cat. As you exhale, round your upper back, tuck your chin, pull your hands away from each other, tuck your chin a whole lot, scoop that belly in, and then shift your hips just a little closer to your heels and wiggle your hips like a puppy wagging its tail. Feel that deep stretch in your spine. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, round. Pull your hands away from each other. Tuck your chin. One more full breath in. And then you exhale, neutral spine, and slowly make your way onto your belly. Squeeze your legs together, press through the tops of your feet, and notice that your kneecaps are lifted. So we'll start with a little shoulder mobility. Tent your fingers off the mat so your elbows are stacked right over your wrist, kind of like a Spider-Man stretch. So as you inhale, lift your chest, roll your shoulders back. As you exhale, rotate your right shoulder down, look over the left and feel that stretch in your right shoulder and the right side of your neck. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, left shoulder down, look over the right. So let's move like that a little bit faster. Inhale. Exhale, right down, look over the left. Inhale. Exhale, left down, look over the right. Inhale. And then exhale, lower down. So now bring your thumbs right by your ribs. And for baby cobra, the tendency is pushing against the fingers. Don't do that. Instead, kind of grip forward and let the work come from your lower back so it's not gonna be a big movement. Make sure that you're pressing firmly against the tops of your feet and your kneecaps are off the mat. So now as you inhale, lift your chest, roll your shoulders back, exhale, lower down. Keep those legs active. Inhale, lift your chest. Roll your shoulder heads back. Exhale, lower. Let's keep doing little baby cobras to heat up the lower back. So inhale. 2 movements in that inhale. Exhale, lower down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Last one we're gonna hold. So inhale, lift your chest. Roll your shoulders back. Now lift your palms and notice the work coming from your lower back. Exhale, lower down. So take a quick child's pose, stretch out your lower back. 1 more full inhale. Exhale back onto your belly. So that was baby cobra. Now for upward facing dog, it's a pretty deep belly down back bend. Your legs are hovering off the mat. So inhale, lift your chest, roll your shoulders back, and then scoop your chest through so much that your hips, your thighs hover. Roll the shoulders back, and instead of looking up, Look straight forward. So squeezing your elbows into your ribs, opening up through the collarbones. Drop your knees. Quick child's pose. So we're gonna do that one more time. And just to be clear, there is no hybrid between baby cobra and up dog. It's either or. Because a lot of times we see this and the thighs are still on the ground, but that's just compressing in your lower back. So baby cobra, press through the tops of your feet, kneecaps are lifted, lift your chest, roll your shoulders back. If you don't know if you're pressing against the hands, just hover them and lower down. Up dog, press through the tops of your feet. You're gonna pull your chest through. Hover your entire legs, roll your shoulders back, chest through, look forward, and breathe right in the center of your heart. One more inhale. Exhale, drop your knees. Take a quick little child's pose. Come back to tabletop. So let's put it all together. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, around. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, around, strong cat. Pull your hands apart, tuck your chin, scoop your belly in, shift your hips just a little closer to your heels, swish your hips like a puppy. Feel that stretch in your sacrum. Find your neutral spine and come all the way down. Squeeze your legs together, press through the tops of your feet, thumbs back closer to your ribs. Inhale, little baby cobra. Exhale, lower down. Tense your fingers off your mat. Let's take our little Spider-Man stretch. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, right down, look over the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, left down, look over the right. Inhale to center. Exhale, lower down. Legs are still active. Inhale, scoop through. Roll your shoulder heads back. Exhale to stay. Shoulders back, heart forward, gaze forward. Legs are so very active. One more inhale. Exhale, drop your knees, and one more time. Child's pose for rest. That's it. Thank you so much for working out with me today. And if you like this class, save it, and then you can do it whenever you want. Also, let me know what poses you want me to break down, so leave a comment below.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.